Meet tonight's brigade, the Mica Paris family. Soul diva Mica is joined by big sister Paula, a hairdresser. These two love to cook almost as much as they love to fight. Dad Trevor, a retired chauffeur, worked as a chef in his 20s. Can he still cope with the fast pace of a professional kitchen? And Mum Cherry, a retired secretary, claims she's never messed up a meal. Let's hope it stays that way. There's no room for divas. This family must pull together if they're going to get out 50 perfect dishes.
OK. Very, very simple. Have a little taste. Very nice, chef.
That's good.
Oh, that's so lovely.
OK, concentrate on order 4 cover table 9, 4 mackerel, 4 pigeon, 4 strawberry glory.
Yes, chef!
We'll do,
yes,
we'll do those 2 twos as a 4, Trevor. Trevor, we'll do those 2 twos as a 4.
Yes, yes, chef.
You've got to put 2 more in there, chef.
Fuck me, it's going to be a long night, huh? Holy fuck.
Yes, chef! 2 more in there.
Harry, put your crisps away.
Sorry?
Put your crisps
Put
away.
them away. I put them away.
Have you considered?
I got to eat something decent tonight.
You are going to get fed.
I mean, thank you very much.
Side.
Oh, great.
Guys, is that it?
You're taking really long, right? For me? Yeah, but you're taking really long with the potatoes, girlfriend.
Come on, guys, good. That's it. Nice. Right. Let's do a plate each. A little bit of salad around the outside.
Hey, P, what you need to do, right?
Get this ready.
You need to get the salt and pepper. You got the salt and
yeah,
pepper on
potatoes.
Touch of salt, Trevor.
For the bite.
Touch of salt, Trevor.
Okay.
Come on, Trevor.
No,
You're here to cook, yeah? Not to watch. Now, are you happy with those?
I love it.
Would you pay for them?
I would pay for it.
Good.
It's very nice, yeah.
So would I. Let's go.
Yes,
On to the hot plate. Let's go. Table
Yes,
6, please,
yeah.
Jose. Now we're doing 4 more, yes? Mish, this is all overcooked.
Oh,
Mish,
it is?
touch it.
I know.
Absolute rubber.
All right, I'm sorry. What can I say? Where is the love?
I'm trying to fucking get there. Get rid of that shit.
All right.
Yeah?
Okay. See, that was the problem. You know what the problem was? Is that I was trying to help Pete.
Oh, stop trying to blame me for it. Do you know what? Take your own responsibilities, love.
If I wasn't watching her, I would have done the mackerel.
Whatever.
God.
Oh, it was
Cherry and Trevor, I wish your daughters were working as quick as you two, yes? Look at them. Right, Misha, can you do something, yes?
Well,
Yeah.
Give me room, man.
Right.
Give me room.
No,
Okay.
so you get the salad now, dress the salad.
Pete, did you do that
Yeah.
by yourself?
salad, yeah.
Very
Right, good. Come on, guys. Diva, are you happy with those?
Let me see.
Are you-
Yeah.
Yes?
I'm all right with it. I'm not too crazy about those 2. I'll be straight. Because it's curled up. Is that all right?
I'm glad you answered the Diva, at least you know.
See, you
Nice.
got me again.
Well done. Service? Fucking hell.
Wait, right.
Last table, well done.
I really enjoyed it. The mackerel itself was quite simple, but you get the kick from the mustard and the spring onion afterwards. Really livened the dish up.
Visually it looked really great. It was lovely green sort of colouring, and the yellow was, you know, from the potatoes was great. So yeah, it worked really well.
OK, Jose, results, please. OK. The number of diners that are willing to pay for the starter is... Oh, shit. 45 out of 15! That was fucking good news, yeah? Well done.
Thank you, chef.
Main course, let's get 50 out of 50, yeah?
Yes,
Clear down,
yeah.
get on your stations, let's go.